Hello and welcome in class 5, chapter 5 fractions. Here is the topic properties of multiplication of fractional numbers. What is the properties of multiplication of fractional number? Here is the first property. Changing the order of the fractional numbers does not change the product. As you know that in the multiplication order, changing of numerals does not change the value of product. So as it is here, if you change the fractional number order, then here also not change the product value. Okay, as the example here I give, suppose here 3 by 5 and multiplied with this fraction 2 by 3. Okay, 3 by 5 and 2 by 3 you got the here. ठीक है, हम इसको डिवाइड भी कर सकते हैं और ये 3 2 जाए यहाँ पे हमें 6 हो जाएगा एंड 5 3 जा 15 देन आफ्टर उसको आपको जब स्मॉलेस्ट टर्म में लीस्ट टर्म में ले जाएंगे तो वो आपका 3 से इसको डिडक्ट कर देंगे. तो मैंने यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे 3 को रिमूव कर दिया है बिकॉज 3 इन न्यूमरेटर एंड 3 इन ऑल्सो डिनोमिनेटर. सो न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों साइड में हमारा सेम नंबर है तो वो एक दूसरे को क्या कर देंगे, कट कर देंगे, मीन्स डिवाइड कर देंगे. 3 1 जा 3 3 1 जा 3. यू गॉट 2 by 5. Okay, now if I change the order of these fractions 2 by 3 and 3 by 5, now what's the value? Here also 2 by 5, similar value na. So changing the order of fractional number does not change the product value. Okay, and the example given in your book as 2 by 3 and 7 by 5. 2 by 3 and 7 by 5. Okay, 2 by 3 and 7 by 5 is equal to 14 by 15. 7 2 is 14 because here another any common number found in numerator and denominator both. So 7 2 is 14, 5 3 is 15. And also if order change as 7 by 5 and 2 by 3 as second fraction. So also the value is 14 by 15. Okay, so here is doesn't product value change if we change the order of the fractions. Now here the second property of fraction multiplied by 1. If any fraction number multiplied by 1 is the fraction itself, as you know, if the number is multiplied by 1, the number itself you get as the multiplication value. So if a fraction multiplied by 1, the fraction itself varies. Okay, suppose here the example of now 2 by 5 multiplied with 1, you get what? Because all numbers, one digit number, suppose 1 2 3 4, these all number carries denominator as 1. Okay, so if you multiply by 1, here the denominator is also 1. So what is the value of the multiplication? 2 into 1 2, 5 into 1 5. Okay, and that is the fraction itself. Third property, the product of a fraction and a 0 is 0. As it is the multiplication property, if you multiply 0 with any number, then you get the 0 as a multiplication value. So the product of your fraction and a 0 is also 0. The number and 0 multiplied with each other, then you get the product as 0. So here also 0. Example 2 by 5 into 0. 2 by 5 into 0. तो यहाँ पे आपका 0, हाँ 1 to up to जितने भी नंबर्स होंगे उसके तो डिनोमिनेटर्स 1 होंगे, लेकिन 0 never carries any denominator. This is the whole number and smallest whole number है, but ये 1 यहाँ पर आपका wrong होगा. ठीक है, कंसिडर करना. So यहाँ पे आपका 0 0 ही होता है. 0 डिवाइड बाई 1 हम यहाँ पे नहीं लिख सकते हैं. So 2 into 0 है अगर, तो 5 into भी 0 ही आप इसको मानेंगे. ठीक है, तो इसको मेजर करना है एज अ 2 into 0 0 and 5 into 0 0. So if a fraction is multiplied with 0, then you get the 0 as a product. ठीक है, जीरो किसी भी नंबर के साथ, किसी भी फ्रैक्शन के साथ, अगर किसी लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर्स के साथ अगर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, देन द प्रोडक्ट इज जीरो. ओके, हियर द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव inverse. To find the multiplicative inverse of a proper or improper fraction, interchange the numerator and denominator. For multiplicative inverse means reciprocal opposite of a fraction, any type of fraction as proper or improper, find out with the changing the numerator and denominator. interchange कर देने से numerator डिनोमिनेटर बन जाएगा एंड डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर साइड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा, एंड यू गेट द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. टू फाइंड द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ए मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन और होल नंबर, फर्स्ट चेंज इट इनटू एन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. इफ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन गिवन और होल नंबर, सो फर्स्ट चेंज इट इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन because mixed fraction also can interchange in improper fraction. Then interchange the numerator and denominator for the multiplicative inverse. Okay, as an example here given, 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1. Here 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Here from above example we see that the product of two fraction number equals to 1. So here product of two fractional number equal to 1. 1 by 2 and 2 by 1. 1 by 2 का reciprocal क्या होगा? 2 by 1. And if you multiplied with each other, the reciprocal of the number and the number itself, product is 1. As it is here, the reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. And if you multiply these both numbers and fraction, then you get the 1 as another number. Okay, the numerator of first and denominator of the second, the denominator of the first is the numerator of the second. तो opposite हो जाएगा. देखिए यहाँ पे 1 by 2 का आपका reciprocal 2 हो गया and 2 का reciprocal 1 by 2 होगा. Okay, so each number in these pairs is called the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the other. Here is the important fact of reciprocal multiplicative inverse. First fact, the reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction. Reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction. How? Suppose, guess the sum. An example of proper fraction as 3 by 12. Okay, 3 by 12 is the proper fraction because proper fraction always carries denominator greater than to the numerator. Okay, then this is the proper fraction. Now what is the reciprocal multiplicative inverse of 3 by 12? Here 12 moves to the numerator side and 3 moves to the denominator side for the reciprocal, and it makes as 12 by 3 of 3 by 12 as reciprocal. Then which type of fraction is this? 12 by 3 is the improper fraction because it carries denominator less than to the numerator. Okay, so now move. The reciprocal of an improper fraction is a proper fraction. Opposite with this first fact, reciprocal of an improper fraction. Reciprocal of an improper. Suppose 12 by 3 given, and what is the reciprocal of 12 by 3? 3 by 12. Okay, so this is the improper fraction, and if it convert in this form, this is the proper. So proper to improper, this reciprocal, and for the reciprocal, improper to proper. Okay, here the reciprocal, here the reciprocal of whole number except 0. 0 भी हमारा whole number है, but ये रूल 0 पे अप्लाइड नहीं होगा. ठीक है, so the reciprocal of whole number except 0 will always have numerator 1. So except 0 means 0 को छोड़कर another whole numbers that will always have numerator 1. It will be unit fraction. So that fraction which carries numerator as 1 is called unit fraction. What these are? Unit fraction. Suppose opposite of 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is unit fraction. Okay. Reciprocal of 1. What is the reciprocal of 1? Reciprocal of 1 is always 1. Reciprocal of 0, reciprocal of 0 not found. Now here exercise 5a. First question written as 9 by 3 of 5. What does the mean? Of means multiplication. Okay. So 9 by 3 into 5. Multiply these numbers because 5 carries denominator as 1. Okay. इसको हम लोग मेजर कर लेंगे. यहाँ पे कोई नेसेसरी नहीं है कि गिवन हो ही ऐसा. अगर आप यहाँ पर डिवाइड बाई 1 अगर यहाँ पे लिख दे रहे तो इससे आपका कंफ्यूजन सॉल्व हो जाएगा एंड यू कैन इजीली मल्टीप्लाई these all fractions. Okay. 9 by 3 into 5 by 1. Convert it. Now 9 into 5, 45. 9 5 ja 45 and 3 1 ja 3. Okay. Now if you see here 45 and 3 both carries the HCF as 3. So divide 45 by 3 and 3 by 3. So if you divide 45 by 3 you get 15 as the value of division, and if you divide 3 by 3 you get the 1L division. So the answer is 15. But if you divide here first then it is easy to calculate. Here 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 5 3 ja 15. ये ज़्यादा इजी होगा अगर आप यहाँ पर ही आप इसको शॉर्ट टर्म में करते रहें. ठीक है. Now 14 is to 1 by 2 of 7. 14 as a whole number, now 1 by 2 of 7. This mixed fraction, convert it in improper fraction. How to convert in improper fraction? 14 into 2. Multiply 14 and 2, you get 28. Then add the numerator as 1. 28 plus 1, 29. And denominator as it is, right here, 29 by 2. Now into 7. Just check any number can divisible or not. Here not. So direct multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So what is the denominator of 7? That is 1. Okay. Always 1. Now 29 into 7. 7 9 ja 63. 9 7 2 ja 14 plus 6. 19. 14 plus 6, 20. Okay. 203 divided by 2. Okay. Now question number second. 5 is to 1 by 3. Question number B of question 2. 5 is to 1 by 3 into 2 by 5. Convert this mixed fraction in improper fraction. 5 3 are 15 plus 1 16 by 3 into 2 by 5. Okay. It's already in list fraction. So direct multiply 16 into 2 32. 5 3 are 50. Okay. Now here third of question number second. 7 2 are 14 plus 1 15 and the denominator as it is right here 7. 7 2 are 14 and 15 by 2. Now direct multiply 15 into 15 is equal to 225. Okay. 7 2 are 40. This is the product value. Okay. This is the answer. Here this is the answer. Now move to the question number 4. 2 is to 1 by 2 into 4 is to 3 by 6 into 1. 3 numbers multiplication, 2 fractional number mixed fraction and 1 is the whole number. So 2 2 are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 into 6 4 are 24. 24 plus 3 27 by 6. Okay. Into 1. Now multiply these all. जस्ट चेक एनी अदर नंबर न्यूमरेटर टू डिनोमिनेटर डिविजिबल और नॉट. तो यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे 27, 5 and here 2 and 6. Okay, so here is the 6 which can multiply, which can divisible by 3 2 times, and 27 is also divisible by 3. 27 and 6 gives the HCF as 3. Okay, so 3 2 जा 6. ठीक है, तो जहां आपको दिखे कि ऐसा कोई नंबर है जो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में किसी नंबर को, अच्छा जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर 27 सपोज यहाँ दिया होगा और यहाँ 15 गिवन होता, तो ऐसा नहीं करते कि यहाँ भी आपने 3 2 जा 6 काट दिया, 3 9 जा 27 यहाँ हो गया एंड 3 5 जा 15. ऐसा नहीं करेंगे हम लोग. वन टाइम में ओनली एक न्यूमरेटर का और एक डिनोमिनेटर के नंबर को ही कट कर सकते हैं, ओनली 2 नंबर्स. ओके, और अदर नंबर अगर होता है, अगर 15 होता है, देन अगेन वी चेक द HCF ऑफ विद अदर नंबर. ओके, सो वो आपका क्लियर हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट अदर चैप्टर्स में. या देखिए 3 2 जा 6, 3 9 जा 27, 3 2 जा 6, 3 9 जा 27. 9 is what? 9 is the quotient of after division of 27 by 3. So 3 9 जा 27, 3 2 जा 6, 2 is the quotient of by division of 6 by 3. Okay, so 9 by 2 यहाँ हो गया आपका. So you write, आप क्लियर लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे फर्स्टली, देन आफ्टर कैलकुलेट. ओके, नाउ 5 by 2 9 by 2 में कन्वर्ट हो गया ये लीस्ट टर्म में, देन आफ्टर इनटू 1. सो 5 9 जा 45, 2 2 जा 4. ओके, 5 9 जा 45, 2 2 जा 4, and here if you multiplied 1 with this fraction you get this fraction itself. Now here 14 is to 3 by 9 into 0 into 5 is to 1 by 5 into 31 is to 1 by 3, and here you see now what you do, what first do you here 14 is to 3 by 9 is the mixed fraction. So can you convert it in improper fraction then multiply these all number? No, यहाँ पे कोई नीड ही नहीं है हमारी कि हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना हो या फिर कन्वर्जन करना हो मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन टू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, बिकॉज हियर मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद 0. ओके, इन दिस ऑल फ्रैक्शन. यहाँ पे जैसे ही हमें एक लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर्स या लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रैक्शनल नंबर्स में मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है 0 से, देन वी गेट रैपिडली फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट एज 0. ओके, एक लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप नंबर्स में या फिर फ्रैक्शनल नंबर्स ग्रुप में आपका 0 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जा रहा है किसी भी नंबर में, देन यू गेट इजी एज 0. ओके, आपको कोई कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत. हियर यूजिंग प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. 5 by 2 into 1 by 3 given in the left hand side of equal, and here 1 by 3 into mixed blank. So what is the mixed term here? This is the 5 by 2, because 5 by 2 into 1 by 3 get the product equal to the 1 by 3 into multiply by 5 by 2, because here order changed if the in the fraction, then cannot change the value of product. 15 by 7 into 18 by 3 is equal to 18 by 3 into 15 by 7. As it is here 18 1 by 9 into 14 is to 2 by 7 is equal to 14 2 by 7. Whichever is missing here, 18 is to 1 by 9. Okay. Now what is missing here? From 34 is to 1 by 6. Move here. Question number 5. Shed the fractional indicated 1 by 2 of 4. Here 4 parts of the square and 1 by 2 means half of 4. Half of 4 means if you solve it, 1 by 2 into 4. 1 by 2 into 4 is equal to 2 2 जा 4. So हमें कितना पार्ट यहाँ पे शेड करना होगा? 2 parts. Only shed 2 parts. Okay. Now ये 3 by 4 of 4 means यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई अगर करेंगे 4 से 4 ये फुल्ली डिविजिबल. नाउ 3 पार्ट्स शेडेड हियर, 1 2 and here 3. Okay, here C 1 by 5 of 20, 5 into 25, 4 ja 5, 4 ja 20, 4 into 1, 4. So 4 small square shade here. Okay. Now here 5 by 8 into 8, 8 divided by 8, and 5 here, 5. Okay. So 5 parts are shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from 8. Okay. Now here simplification I explain you. After this exercise, fill in the blank. 1 by 7 into what you get the product as 1. 1 by 7 into 7 by into 7 means 7 by 1. 1 by 7 का अगर रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे देन हमें 1 मिलता है. 13 by 1 रेसिप्रोकल 1 by 13. If you multiply it then you get the product 1. Reciprocal of 7 by 5 is 5 by 7. Multiplication inverse, mi is equal to multiplication inverse, multiplicative inverse 21 is 1 by 21. Okay. Multiplicative inverse of 0 is not found or not defined. The reciprocal of which is equal to itself. 1 का reciprocal 1 ही होगा and this is equal to itself. The reciprocal of whole number will always be a unit fraction. Whole number suppose 3 and reciprocal of 3 is equal to 1 by 3, that carries 1 as numerator. So this is unit fraction. The mi means multiplicative inverse of mixed number will always be proper fraction. How? Because if you convert to the mixed fraction in improper fraction, then the reciprocal of improper fraction is always proper fraction as the important fact second.